Welcome to the instructions video for the Forward Converter Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you design isolated DC to DC power supplies by calculating duty cycle, output voltage, and transformer parameters for forward converter topologies used in medium power applications. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key parameters. Start by inputting your input voltage, for example, 48 volts for a typical telecom application. Next, enter your desired output voltage, such as 12 volts. Specify the transformer turns ratio. We'll use 4:1 in this example. Enter the switching frequency, typically around 100 kHz. You may also need to input the maximum duty cycle limit based on your reset method. The calculator will then determine the required duty cycle to achieve your output voltage, while respecting the forward converter's duty cycle limitations for proper transformer reset. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.